Hello students, our today's topic is asset sales without customer. An asset sale without a customer occurs when an asset is retired from the asset portfolio and the revenue is recorded, but without a customer involved in the transaction. This usually happens when an asset is sold internally, scrapped, or disposed of without being sold to an external party. For that, we can use transaction code ABAON or by path. SAP is the assets, accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, retirement, reटायरमेंट विथ रेवेन्यू एंड एसेट सेल विदाउट कस्टमर। स्टैप में जाके हम ट्रांजैक्शन पुश करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हम ऑलरेडी अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, फिक्स एसेट्स, पोस्टिंग, रिटायरमेंट, रिटायरमेंट विद रेवेन्यू एंड एसेट सेल विदाउट कस्टमर। Now just click on ABAON, enter our asset, that is we will take OD. You can enter the accounting principal, depreciation area. Just enter your document date is the 1st April 2025. Posting date 1st April 2025 and asset value date 1st April 2025. Now for specific revenue, we will enter our amount, that is 20,000 euro. Just press enter, click on additional details. We can enter your posting period, our document type, transaction type, and rest of details. Then click on partial retirement. If we want to do partial retirement, then we can do it. We can enter here our amount. Just click on simulate button so we can check the entry. Just click on error. Okay. We will need to enter the field text. Just line item, additional account. Now come back and enter text. Asset transfer with revenue. Again click on okay, our error is solved. तो यहाँ पर देखो हमारी अमाउंट है 40,000 एंड हमारा रेवेन्यू 20,000। तो हम रेवेन्यू चेंज करते हैं। We will enter the revenue as a 40,000. Just click on simulate button and now click on post. तो देखो यहाँ पर हमारी एंट्री पोस्ट हो चुकी है। जस्ट क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू। Now go to Asset Explorer, AW01N, and just check our acquisition value is 0 and our retirement entry updated. Just click on it and then click on environment, document environment, accounting documents. तो यहाँ पे देखो हमारे अकाउंटिंग ट्रांजैक्शन एंड एसेट ट्रांजैक्शन जनरेट हो गया. Just come back, click display currency. You can check the currency, general ledger view. Click on posted values, comparison and parameters and just check it. Now just come back again, go to AW01 and click on display master data और चेक करो हमारा एसेट डीएक्टिवेट हो चुका होगा. Now we will retire our multiple assets. Then click for multiple assets. Enter your document date 1st April 2025. Posting date also same 2025. Asset value 1st April 2025. And just enter the assets. Firstly, we will take the printer, retirement revenue, next we will select scanner, next we will select microwave, okay fine, we'll enter the 60, 25, and we will remove the asset. Just press enter, click on select, delete it, click on select. Okay, it is showing error, fill text. Okay, just go back and enter the text. Asset, multiple asset, now just again click on select. Okay, remove. Click on line item so you can check the line item. Just come back and click on post. Entry posted. Now select the Asset Explorer. And check. And click on the master data. आपका एसेट डीएक्टिवेट हो जाए. So you can sell the asset with revenue without customer.